Hermaphroditism, disorders of the sexual development, or referred to as DST, is a condition in which an individual has both male and female reproductive characteristics. It includes true hermaphroditism and the pseudo-hermaphroditism, now termed as 46XX DST and 46XY DST. True hermaphroditism, ovotesticular DST, rare condition where an individual has both ovarian and the testicular tissue. Karyotype can be 46XX and 46XY or 46XX, 46XY mosaicism. Gonads, presence of both ovary and testes or the ovotestitis. Genitalia can be ambiguous or match one sex. Fertility, usually infertile, but rare cases of the ovulation or sperm production have been reported. Female pseudohermaphroditism, 46XX DST. Genetic female with a masculinized external genitalia causes excess androgen exposure. Congenital adrenal hyperplasia, maternal androgen exposure, ovaries are present but external genitalia may appear male-like. Clitoromegaly, labial fusion. Male pseudohermaphroditism with underdeveloped or ambiguous genitalia causes defects in the testosterone production or action, androgen insensitivity syndrome, complete or the partial resistance to the androgen, 5-alpha reductase deficiency, inability to convert the testosterone to DHT, leading to the underdeveloped external male genitalia, Leydig cell hyperplasia, inadequate testosterone production. Testes are present, but external genitalia may be female-like or ambiguous. Genetic mutation, errors in the sex hormone differentiation, SOA gene mutation, hormonal imbalance, abnormal androgen or the estrogen exposure during the fetal development, enzyme deficiency, 21. Hydroxyl deficiency, excess androgens in XX individual, 5-alpha reductase deficiency, impaired DHT production in the XY individual. Placental aromatase deficiency leads to the masculinization of the excess fetus. Clinical features, ambiguous genitalia, external genitalia do not clearly appear, male or female. Clitoromegaly or the micropenis. Hypospadias, abnormal urethral opening in male. Undescended or the asymmetrical gonads, cryptorchidism. Delayed or the abnormal puberty, menstrual irregularities in excess individual with a partial masculinization. Karyotyping determines the chromosomal sex, 46XX or 46XY or the mosaicism. Hormonal test measures the testosterone, DHT, LH, FSH, AMH and the adrenal steroids. Imaging, ultrasound, MRI identifies the internal reproductive structures, uterus and gonads. Genetic testing detects a mutation in the sex determining the genes. Gonadal biopsy confirms the presence of the testicular or the ovarian tissue in the uncertain cases. Surgical management, genital reconstruction if desired timing and the extent depend on the individual's condition and the preference. Gonadectomy if the risk of gonadal malignancy common in the XX DST with the undescended testes. Hormonal therapy for the feminization in the XX individual with the estrogen deficiency. Testosterone therapy for the masculinization in the XY individual with the testosterone deficiency. Psychosocial support, gender identity, counseling is essential for the individuals and the families. True hermaphroditism, ovotesticular DST involves both ovarian and the testicular tissues. Female pseudohermaphroditism is caused by the excessive prenatal androgen exposure. Male pseudohermaphroditism results from the testosterone DHT production or the receptor defects. Karyotyping and the hormonal assays determine the underlying cause. Imaging and the genetic testing confirms the gonadal and the chromosomal abnormalities. Androgen insensitivity syndrome presents with the female external genitalia in an XY individual and the congenital adrenal hyperplasia causes the paralyzation of the excess individual due to the excess androgen. Treatment includes the hormonal therapy, genital surgery if needed, and the psychological support.